Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some new products from the new Colourpop Sunflower collection. I'm really excited about this collection, and I cannot wait to show you all of the products as well as how I got this look right here in today's video. So definitely stay tuned if you want to hear about the products and hear my review on the overall collection. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, because girl, you do not want to miss another upload from me, as well as turn on your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a video. And give this video a huge thumbs up if you like reviews or you like tutorials with me trying out makeup. And let's go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so Colourpop came out with another collection because y'all know they do not sleep, and it is their Sunflower collection. And y'all, the packaging on this stuff is so cute. It is in this really cute just sunflower print that I think it is stunning. It's honestly kind of giving me fall vibes. So they came out with a bunch of different products. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, go ahead and do some swatches and everything so you can go ahead and get a first glimpse of the collection. Okay, so the first product they came out with, like I said, is the Little Ray of Sunshine. This is their 9-pan matte press palette, and I really love this. It comes with really nice brown and yellow tones in here, and they're all matte, which we don't really see that often from Colourpop. This does retail for $14, and I think this is such a really nice everyday palette. Definitely perfect for summer going into fall. I think this palette is really pretty, and I love the 9-pan palettes. They're just something that can be easily taken with you if you plan on traveling or anything. And yeah, like, these colors are really pretty. The next product in this collection is actually the cream gel liners, and these retail for $6 each, and they came out with a brown and a yellow. I think this definitely goes with the whole sunflower theme, and I actually love the packaging on here. As you can see, they have this really cute sunflower detailing on the packaging, which I think is really cute. And I love that, and I love the yellow and brown shade they went with for this collection. I think it is perfect. So we actually have two Super Shot shadows in this collection. You can purchase these as a duo for $10, or you can get each of these for $6 each. So first we have the shade Flower Child, and then we have the shade In Harmony, which is a really nice gold shade. Then we also got this glow oil from Fourth Ray Beauty, which is the glow up oil. I'm a huge fan of the Fourth Ray oils. They are definitely a staple in my skincare routines. And this oil actually retails for $10, which I think is a really good price for an oil because they last so long. And then we have a shimmering dry oil from Soul Body, which I love the dry oils from there. And this is in the shade Lemon Drop. This is such a good product if you want to apply a really nice shimmer on the skin, like on your shoulders or on your legs or something like that. This is a really nice product to give you that glow. Last but not least, we have the Ultra Glossy Lips, and these retail for $7. And I love the Ultra Glossy Lips, y'all. These are definitely one of my favorite lip products from Colourpop, and we have two of them in this collection. One of them in a really nice like peachy shade, and the other one in a really nice like gold reflex, which I already know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of. So that's pretty much all of the products in the Sunflower collection. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into the demo portion of the video. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into using the Little Ray of Sunshine palette, which I'm really excited to see how this matte palette performs. I think it has really nice colors in it. I just love the yellows and browns in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Sunnies, which is this really nice medium brown shade, and I'm going to blend that into my crease. I'm just going to kind of take that and just keep blending that in my crease and building that color up. I'm really liking that yellow shade. I think it's a really nice transition shade for the look that I'm going for. I think I might do a halo eye because I haven't done one in a while. It's just something about Colourpop eyeshadows that just be hit in a different way, especially for the price. They are so affordable and their eyeshadows perform so well, so pigmented, so blendable. I really do enjoy them. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Vibes, and I'm just going to take this shade and blend it in the inner and outer corners to create that halo look. So this shade right here is just a smidge deeper than Sunny, so I'm just going to use this to go ahead and start creating the deepness we want to create this halo eye look in the inner and outer crease. And I'm going to try to use as many shades from the palette as I can so we can kind of get a feel for the palette and make sure I'm using all of them. But so far so good. I'm actually really liking how it's coming so far. And now I'm just going to go in with the shade Chillin'. This is a really pretty color. It's definitely going to bring in that depth we're looking for. I'm packing that in the inner corner. That's a really nice like orangey red color. I'm really liking that. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Sun Giant, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in our inner and outer crease before we apply the shimmer shade for our halo eye. Pack this one on. We just kind of want to place this color. We don't really, it might look weird right now, but we're kind of just placing it where we know it needs to go. It's like a really nice soft brown. I kind of thought it was going to be a little bit more deeper than this, but it's actually really smooth and I kind of like that. Okay, so let's break out one of these Super Shock shadows from the little duo. Alright, so I'm going to go in with In Harmony. It's an ultra metallic Super Shock shadow. And I'm going to spray my brush. Apply that. Oh yes. That is so pretty. It almost goes on like wet. Oh, that is such a pretty color. And don't worry, we're going to blend out the edges. We're kind of just packing that gold shade on. But y'all, I love the Super Shock shadows from Colourpop. They are so bomb. Like honestly, I feel like they're such a slept on product, but the pigmentation from the Super Shock shadows are so good. Like as you can see, that gold is popping, y'all. Like she did not come to play. Yes, like I'm so happy about this. I honestly might take a little bit of Flower Child and kind of place that in the center before I blend in those browns again. I'm gonna place this in the center of that gold. Oh yes. Just dab that one, keep that one in the center. That's gonna kind of give that spotlight look in the middle. So now we're gonna go back in with the shade Sun Giant, which is that brown, and blend out the edges on this look. So I'm going to go ahead and do my liner and lashes off camera as well as my base makeup. And then I'll be back on to show you guys the liners as well as the lips. Okay, so I'm back and I have my base on and my lashes and stuff. And I want to let you guys know that I did use another product and I forgot to use it on camera. But I did use the Glow Up Face Oil that is from this collection as well. As you can see, that is what's creating that natural glow underneath my skin. I have not applied highlighter or anything on so I could show you guys, but I absolutely love this. I'm a huge fan of the oils from Fourth Wave Beauty. They are so bomb and I use them in my skincare as well, but I have yet to use one underneath my makeup. So for me, this product is bomb. Like I'm definitely going to be using this all the time. I just think it definitely made a difference and has my skin looking naturally glowy, and I can definitely tell, and it doesn't feel greasy or it doesn't feel like it's making my makeup look overly like hydrated or anything. It just looks like a really nice, just subtle glow underneath the skin, almost like I'm glowing within, and I love that. It's so pretty. Definitely a product I'm going to be using all the time. So I'm really happy about that. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish up the lower lash line. Now with this collection, they did come out with 2 gel liners, and they came out with a brown color and a yellow one. So I'm probably going to end up using both of them on the lower lash line because, girl, why not? Let's go ahead and just use both of them. So I'm going to go in with the yellow shade first, and this is in the shade Sub-Zero. I think I'm going to apply this one kind of like we did the halo eye, just right underneath in the center of the lower lash line. Y'all, I did not realize how pigmented this was going to be. Wow. It literally just glides on. Normally yellow liners do not apply this well or glide on this easily. Like, this is very creamy. I'm gonna go in with the brown one now and kind of apply this one right here on the outer part and the inner part. So we're basically kind of doing a halo on the bottom lash line as well. I'm definitely going to have to pick up a lot more of these because they go on so nicely. I really need this in black because, girl, like, you don't even have to tug at your eye because it just glides on. Okay, so that is the liners on, and let's go ahead and smudge some shadows down there as well so we can get a little bit more color. So now I'm gonna go in with the shade Chillin', which is that really nice like red orangish color, and I'm just gonna blend that on my lower lash line right underneath those liners we applied. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Sunny, and I'm just going to apply that right underneath the shade Chillin'. And just kind of blend that one out. And then I'm going to go in with the shade Sun Giant, and I'm just going to apply that right on the outer part. Right underneath. I'm going to go ahead and apply my bottom mascara. We're using the Scuba Mascara by The Balm. Just like that. I really love this mascara. It's so good. Definitely perfect for bottom mascara. I'm not going to apply any on the cheeks. I'm just going to keep it on the nose and the Cupid's bow. So I'm going to go in with my Revlon Skin Lights. This is in the shade Twilight Gleam. And I'm just going to apply this on my nose. And on my Cupid's bow. So we're going to go ahead and jump into lips. I'm going to go in with the Colourpop times Shayla BFF4 and apply this on my lips. I haven't worn this liner in a long time because I've been wearing the KKW one for so long. But I love this one so much. Now I'm going to go in with the Artist Couture lipstick, and this is in the shade Power Play, which is a really nice nude color, and I'm going to apply this on my lips. I just love how creamy this lipstick is. Oh, like, look how good that pairs with that liner, y'all. Oh, yes. Okay, so for lips, we got some ultra glossy lips. One of my favorite Colourpop lip products. I love the ultra glossy lips. They are so bomb. They come in such a good range of colors. And we have these shades Always Sunny, which is more of like a glittery gold looking shade. I feel like this would be honestly a really great topper. And then we have the shade Sun Soak. This one has more of a peachier undertone to it with gold flecks as well. So definitely both right up my alley. I already know I'm going to get a lot of use out of both of these products. I'm going to go in with this shade Always Sunny. Oh, these smell amazing. But you can see, like, y'all, I love these. So pretty. They literally just leave your lips looking so nice and juicy, reflected. Like, it's such a good gloss, and it does not feel sticky or anything on the lips. Like, it just feels really nicely moisturized and hydrated, and you still get that really nice like glow and gleam to the lips. and I love it. Definitely great for the look. Okay, so this is the completed look using the Sunflower collection from Colourpop, and honestly, this is definitely giving me end of summer fall vibes. Like, yes, like, can we get into it with the glowy skin and the neutral tones? Y'all, I am here for it. And I'm loving the glow that that oil is giving me. Like, oh my gosh, like, this is without any highlight or anything on my face, and it's just giving me that really nice glow underneath the skin. So I would highly recommend that product. Definitely one of my favorite things from this collection. So as for the collection, I honestly really like this collection. I think it's a nice collection to have, especially if you're someone who likes yellows or brown tones. I think it is a perfect thing to have, especially with fall coming up and everything. I would say though, if you're anyone that is deeper skin than me, that these shades might not show up on your skin as much unless you use a really light base on the eyes. So I would put that in perspective. If you are a little bit deeper skin, I would definitely just say you would have to try it out and see how it would look on your skin. But for me, the shades did work, and I really did love the palette. I think it is perfect. It's something that I can see myself wearing on a day-to-day basis, as well as these super shot shadows. I love them. Like I said before, they are one of my favorite products from Colourpop. I just feel like they definitely give you that pigmentation and that standout pigment that you want in your eyes, especially when you're working with a shimmer. I just think they perform very well. As for the gel liners, another product that I just am obsessed with. It literally glides on. Like, you do not have to tug at your eyes and stuff, and that is something that I cannot stand when it comes to liners. These right here, they definitely are very creamy. They blend on and they're very pigmented. So I would highly, highly recommend those as well. They are such a great product. Like, I love the yellow and the brown that I use underneath the eyes. I just think they are such a nice touch to the look. As for the ultra glossy lips, y'all already know these are bomb, you guys. Bomb. Like, as you can see, my lips look nice and juicy. They look really plump and stuff. I just love the ultra glossy lip formula. It's very creamy. It's not sticky. It literally just glides on and give you that nice lip gloss look on your lips, and I love that. You can definitely pair this with liner, lipstick, a cream lipstick, anything underneath, and apply this on top, and it's going to look so good. The one thing in the collection that I did not use in today's video was actually the Soul Body little glow oil, and honestly, I have already tried this as well. These are really nice if you're someone who likes to have a glow. They do have a little bit of glitter in them, but honestly, if you are someone that doesn't really care about the glitter or anything and you like the glow as well, this is a perfect product for you, especially with the end of summer and stuff like that. If you're someone that's going to be taking pictures or anything, these look so good on. I'm telling you guys, like, apply this on your legs or on your shoulders or something. When this catches the light, it looks so good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video with me showing you all the new products from the new Colourpop Sunflower collection. I actually really loved how the look came out. It's definitely giving me that brown yellow tone look, and I'm loving it so far. So let me know if you guys decide to pick up anything from the Colourpop collection, or what is your favorite product that I used in today's video. Let me know in the comments below, and let's go ahead and chat. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications on so you can be notified every time I post a video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support you show me on my videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.